In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a section break in Google Docs. Section breaks can be incredibly useful for organizing your document, but they can also pose some challenges if you need to remove them. Luckily, the process is simple once you know the steps, and I'll guide you through each one of them. First, you'll want to head over to Google Docs. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to docs.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your login details and you'll be taken to the main Google Docs interface. From here, you can create a new document or open an existing one. For today's tutorial, you're likely working with an existing document where you need to remove that pesky section break. Once your document is open, navigate to the top menu, look for the View option and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several choices. The option you're interested in is Show Non-Printing Characters. Clicking this will reveal all the formatting marks within your document, including spaces, paragraph marks, and most importantly, the section breaks. Having these visible makes it significantly easier to identify exactly where your section break is located within the document. With non-printing characters visible, scroll through your document until you locate the section break you wish to remove. It's typically represented by a visible line indicating where the break occurs. Position your cursor directly before this section break. It's important to be precise here to ensure that you eliminate it without disrupting any surrounding content. After placing your cursor correctly, the next step is straightforward. Simply press the delete key on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, this might be labeled as delete or backspace, depending on your keyboard configuration. This action will remove the highlighted section break from your document, effectively merging the sections on either side of the break into one continuous section. And that's it. With the section break removed, review your document to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Sometimes text formatting might adjust slightly, so it's always a good practice to make any necessary tweaks to maintain the layout you need. I hope this guide has helped you learn how to remove section breaks in Google Docs with ease. Remember, showing non-printing characters can be helpful in many formatting tasks, so don't hesitate to use it for other formatting issues you might encounter. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.